Right. With reference to inequality, right, gini and theil. Okay, these inequalities are shown by two parameters. One is gini index, the residual one is the right theil index, right? Okay, so according to PLF's periodic labor force survey, right? Okay, top 1% of Indians getting 75,000 rupees. Inversely, right, bottom 10% people getting only 3,900 rupees. That's why it seems much gap we have must be bridged as well as possible, right? Okay, so here the gini and right theil, right? Okay, according to right these indexes, 0 is the perfect equality, 100 is the yes perfect inequalities. 0 is the perfect equality, 100 is the perfect inequality. That's why here gini index only income is shown, but theil index besides income other yes, aspects also shown by the theil index. That's why gini seems micro, yes, theil means macro. Okay, according to these index, it is understood that heavy inequalities presence in India must be bridged as well as possible. Okay, so here high inequalities visible in India, especially Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Lower inequalities we can see Mizoram, Bihar, Manipur, Goa. Okay, that's why here inequalities must be bridged between rich and poor. Otherwise, we have to face considerable price. You see, for example, urban seems having higher inequalities over rural. Okay, that's why here inequality leads to inflation problem. Inequality leads to slower growth rate problem. Inequality leads to disorder problem. Inequality leads to right class war system. Inequality leads to even dual economy. Also, dual means here unorganized economy, smaller quantity. Yes, unorganized economy here lesser quality here. Sorry, organized economy, right? Here lesser quantity, organized, right? Unorganized seems right. Okay, unorganized greater than organized. I think it's clear. That's why we need to take considerable steps in order to bridge the gap between rich and poor. Inequality should be eliminated as early as possible, right? Okay, thank you.